Hello everyone, my name is Gurmeet Singh. So, what is AI? You hear about it everywhere in the news, in apps, in every conversation. But what is it really? So, over the next 5 minutes, with no jargon and no confusion, I'm going to make it click. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is technology that lets computer think and learn a little bit like we do. It can perceive the world around it, like seeing images, hearing sound, reading text. It can reason, finding patterns and making predictions. And it can act, making decisions and taking action, all without a human spelling out every single step. But how does it actually learn? It learns from examples, just like a child learning what a cat looks like. First, we give it data, thousands of examples, then it trains, finding patterns hidden in that data. Next, it predicts, making the best guess on something new it has never seen. And finally, it improves, correcting its mistakes and getting smarter every time. Data, train, predict, improve. That simple loop is the heart of almost every AI you have heard of. And here's the thing. You already use AI every single day. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa understand your speech. Netflix and YouTube recommend exactly what to watch next. Translation apps turn one language into another instantly. Maps predict traffic and find you the fastest route. Your email filters out spam and blocks scams. And your phone recognizes your face to unlock. Chances are you have used AI 10 times before lunch. You just didn't call it that. Now, there are really two kinds of AI. The first is narrow AI. It's built on to do one task and to do it very well, like recommending videos or recognizing faces. It can't do anything outside that one job. And this is every AI we have today. The second is general AI, a machine that could think like a human across any task at all. But here's the truth that one doesn't exist yet. For now, it's still the stuff of science fiction and movies. So, what's the simplest way to picture all of this? Teaching AI is like raising a child. A toddler sees many, many dogs before they can name one. When they get it wrong, we gently correct them. And that correction is exactly what training is. And then slowly something amazing happens. They start recognizing dogs they have never seen before. That's AI in a nutshell. Show it examples, correct its mistakes, and it learns to figure out things on its own. But let's be honest about what AI can and can't do. It's incredible at spotting patterns in huge amounts of data, doing repetitive tasks at lightning speed, and predicting trends and working 24/7 without ever getting tired. But it still struggles with real things, true common sense and feelings, understand why and not just what, being genuinely creative from nothing, and knowing when it's simply wrong. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. So, why does this matter to you? Because AI isn't here to replace you. It's a tool. It's already everywhere, reshaping healthcare, finance, art, even farming. Used well, it's a genuine superpower, making one person dramatically more productive. And the best part, we are just getting started. We are at a very beginning of all of this, which makes right now the perfect time to understand it. So let's put it all together. AI is simply machines that learn from data to make smart decisions. It learns from examples, it powers the apps you use every day, and at the end of the day, it's a tool, not magic. If this video helped AI finally make sense for you, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next 5-minute explainer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.